Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the heart of Argentina, Buenos Aires, one of the most vibrant and artistic cities I've ever visited. I'll take you through some of my favorite spots in the city, sharing not just the sketches I created, but also a little bit of story behind these incredible places. Our journey begins at the huge National Congress Palace. This monumental building, with its neoclassical architecture and impressive dome, is not only a symbol of Argentina's political life, but also an architectural masterpiece. I spent some time sketching its intricate details, from the columns to the large green dome that stands out against the sky. I love capturing the essence of a place through my sketches. It's a way to really focus on the beauty and the architecture. Even though I was surrounded by busy streets, it felt like the perfect spot to sit down and draw. Next, we headed to the so-called Woman's Bridge, located in the modern Puerto Madero district. This striking white curved bridge symbolizes a woman dancing the tango. It's amazing how the design plays with movement and light. I had a lot of fun sketching the contrast between the sleek, contemporary design of the bridge and the historical buildings surrounding the area. It's one of those places that blends the old and the new perfectly. Another highlight of Buenos Aires is the magnificent Teatro Colón, one of the world's most renowned opera houses. With its stunning architecture, from the grand marble staircase to the opulent gilded interior, it's a true gem. I couldn't resist sketching the exterior, with its majestic columns and grand entrance. While the building is impressive from every angle, I particularly enjoyed painting the beautiful details on the facade. The theater isn't just a beautiful building, it's a symbol of Argentina's rich cultural heritage. And I loved how my sketchbook could capture just a small piece of that history. Moving on to the famous Pink House, Argentina's presidential palace. This building is not only iconic for its color, but also for its historical significance. It's where the president works, and a symbol of Argentina's political history. I took my sketchbook to the square in front of the Pink House to capture its beauty. The building's pink facade and the beautiful, sprawling square made the perfect scene. I tried to focus on the soft details of the palace windows and ornate balconies, all while keeping an eye on the crowds gathering around the plaza. It's incredible to think about all the important historical moments that have unfolded here. Buenos Aires truly captivated me with its mix of history, culture, and incredible architecture. This is the last country I'm visiting in South America, and it has been such a rewarding journey. Thank you for joining me on this artistic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel and sketching stories. Next time, we'll be venturing to a new continent, and I can't wait to share the next chapter of my travels with you. See you soon in the next video.